Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we're delving into a topic that forms the very foundation of healthy relationships: grounding. In this video, we'll explore how grounding techniques can enhance connection and communication in your relationships. Whether it's with your partner, family, friends, or colleagues, the art of grounding can truly transform how you interact and engage with others. So, let's dive in. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell, so you don't miss out on our future relationship-focused content. Now, let's get started. Understanding grounding in relationships. Before we explore how grounding enhances connection and communication, let's first understand what grounding actually means in the context of relationships. Grounding involves being present, centered, and emotionally connected in the moment. It's about creating a solid base for effective communication and deeper emotional bonds. When you're grounded, you're better equipped to listen, understand, and empathize with the people around you. This forms the bedrock for stronger connections and more meaningful interactions. Techniques for grounding. Now that we're on the same page about the importance of grounding, let's explore some practical techniques that can help you achieve this in your relationships. Mindfulness meditation. Practicing mindfulness meditation can help you stay present and attentive during conversations, allowing for a deeper connection with the other person. Breathing exercises. Deep and mindful breathing can calm your mind, making you more receptive to the emotions and perspectives of others. Active listening. Give your full attention to the speaker, maintain eye contact, and provide validating responses to enhance mutual understanding. Enhancing connection and communication. So, how does grounding directly impact connection and communication in relationships? Let's explore. Grounding fosters open dialogue and encourages vulnerability. When you're emotionally present, you create a safe space for others to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. This, in turn, deepens trust and intimacy, allowing for authentic and transparent communication that leads to mutual growth and understanding. And there you have it, the power of grounding in relationships. By cultivating this practice, you can transform the way you connect and communicate with those around you. Remember, it's not just about the words you say, but the intention and presence you bring to every interaction. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these relationship-enhancing techniques. And if you're eager to learn more about fostering healthy connections, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.